Yo, welcome my fellow D-Gents, Hassan here. And today I want to be going over how I made $2,000 profit within 4 hours of my time on Sunday. But before I get started, I just want to thank you all on the recent support on my YouTube channel. As you see here, it's been blowing up like crazy. I have 80 subs. I'm very thankful for all of you, and my past videos have been doing very, very well. But before I get started into the video, I just want to say smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and always leave a comment. I read and respond to each and every single comment. Also, I'd appreciate feedback on what type of content you guys would like to see in the future. I plan on my next video being some super secret alpha that I'm going to be dropping for you guys. So the NFT that I made that profit on was Jadu hoverboards. And I don't know if you guys know this, but he had a previous project called Jadu Jetpacks, and they've done very, very well in OpenSea. As you see here, the floor is very high, but also it's a low supply as well. But I was able to get whitelist on this because of my alpha group. They really came in clutch. A lot of people got multiple whitelist spots. Like I know someone that got 3 or 4. But my psychology behind this trade was I was going to get whitelist and I was going to flip for a profit before the reveal, because how this works was there was a certain amount of that would be revealed per day. Like for example, yesterday all the commons were revealed, and today the rares and the super rares will be revealed, and then the day after, so that'll be on Wednesday, the one of ones and the legendaries will be revealed. But my psychology behind this trade was I noticed that once during the pre-sale, like the floor was rising very steadily, because I saw that all the listings that were being listed up were getting eaten, and people were just sniping floor and buying eventually higher and higher than the floor. So once I noticed that, it was around, I'd say, 0.7 floor, 0.712, 0.72. So I was like, okay, I'll list it for 0.75. As you see here, I listed it for 0.75 and it got sold. So my psychology behind that was even though I didn't wait for it longer, even if I did, like I saw the floor go up to 0.82, I was still comfortable with my profit because I noticed that once it peaked at that 0.82 mark, the listings were starting to get like higher and higher, but there was not as many sales. And that's something you want to notice, that when you're trading on OpenSea, even though OpenSea gets bugged like a couple times and it's very lagging, but you want to see when the floor will drop is when the listings exceed the amount of sales. But then when you see a floor rising, you'll see sales being bought above the floor. So for example, right here, the floor is 0.349. So what you notice for the sales is, see, as right here, there's some on the floor and some above. So if you see a lot of these being bought above the floor, that's when you know something will go up. But when you see the listings go, or when they see, as you see here, there's many more listings than you see sales. So that's how you know the floor will drop. But that's all I really wanted to cover in this video. I was very fortunate to make a very nice trade on this and get pick the wheel back up with my NFT trading journey. But like I said, if you guys enjoy, please leave a like, smash the subscribe button, and always leave a comment. I read and reply to all my comments. And with that, I will hope you have a wonderful day.